Hey there. You know what distro hopping means? Of course you do. Can we apply this term to Matrix, as in Matrix client hopping? That doesn't feel right. Yeah. I am a Matrix user. I have basically my community in the chat and chat. I kind of prefer the decentralized nature of Matrix and the whole thing being free software and enabling everyone to use whichever client software they prefer. And of course, there are better or less better software according to what you like, which desktop environment do you use, whether you wish to have it fit into your desktop, or maybe you are a terminal user or you automate stuff and do some scripting alongside the chat. You can do all kinds of stuff. It's pretty good. It's pretty good nowadays, and it's a really good upgrade to what IRTS, Internet Relay Chat, used to give us and still gives. But Matrix gives you the federation abilities. You can erect your own server. You can talk to anyone on the other servers in whichever room you want, on whatever server, and you have end-to-end encryption if you want that. It's pretty good. It's solid. So let me switch to different streams. So this is Element. Element is a prime client for Matrix. It's been done by the makers of the Matrix protocol. However, this is a web application, and I simply can't stand anything made with web technologies. And there is all kinds of stuff that bothers me with this client, so this one is a no-go. Nheko is the one made in C++ with cute libraries, and it's pretty good. It supports everything that I need, including spaces. It works well, it's fast, responsive. Some features may be lacking, like the moderation functionalities, but so far I haven't had the real need to moderate anything. And I have a bot which is supposed to do that instead of me, so we'll see how that goes in the future. But what kind of uh, pulled me towards searching for more is that its interface is lacking. When huge messages come to me sent by my own bot, they tend to not show up in Nheko, and also the threads all appear in the main channel and not as actual threads on the side. Stuff like that kind of adds up, so I start looking for more. Then I came to the what is the name of this? The Fractal application. It's at home with GNOME, and it's clean, very gnomish looking, if I may say. Uh, doesn't support spaces, which is a bit of a shame for now, but overall it's pretty functional for the basic usage, and I like clean and simple interfaces. So I gave it a go, and it failed me in the very first day zero. It has some memory leaks apparently, and it just starts lagging horribly. So that one is a no-go as well. So I started researching a bit more into Matrix clients and what do we have at this date. And what do you know? There is a Emacs client for Matrix, which Of course it does. I mean, everything exists inside Emacs. Emacs is the universe. So it shouldn't be really surprising that this is a thing. But anyways, it did surprise me just a little bit. So I kind of click with the mouse, but that wasn't necessary. You can do the Alt GL to show your rooms lineup and then press enter to participate in a room. So Metos Omega says, I hope they add this functionality, and I can just press Shift S enter, and I hope so too. And we are now sending a reply to someone. This is how it works. You can type Shift question to bring up this helpful quick menu to remind yourself of these quick little shortcuts. So, for example, scroll up and down, move read markers to point, list rooms. So this is something that I already showed you. List rooms, GML. M is your basically left alt on the normal PC keyboard. Switch to another room, switch to mentions buffer. There is a separate buffer where you can only see who mentioned you from all of your rooms. So that's kind of practical. Switch to notifications buffer. That one is, I suppose, practical as well. With window composition format return. So the normal way to start typing a message is by pressing the return key, and then you type your message, and then you send it. There is an alternative way with the meta key and then enter, and then you will write your new message in the buffer, truly Emacs style, and then you're going to Control XS to save your message, like you do save the buffers in Emacs, and then you're going to confirm with sending it. You return to send a direct message to someone, invite, ignore users, write reply. I have already demonstrated this one. Editing your message, deleting your message. So the capital C dash means control. But if you're an Emacs user, none of this should be anything particularly odd to you. This is all standard Emacs stuff. Send reactions. So SR, let's try this one. So you aim for a message. SR, insert emoji, let's say heart. This one, and there we go. There is a heart emoji. It also supports files as in images, as you can see here. But as well, you can send files. Let me go back to the how do you cheat sheet? Yeah, cheat sheet. What else do we have? Send emotes, send files. You can send files, send images. Occur search in the room, describe room, list members. Let's try list members. RM. Okay, RM is supposed to list members in this room. Yeah, there we go. There is our list of the members. Full screen. You can now Control C0, I think. Nope. Control X0. I was pretty sure that this is how it's supposed to do, but I have a buffer in a full screen, so that's not going to work. Let's go back to this buffer here. Send emote, send file, send. Oh, we have already been here. Set topic of the room, message format, create a new room, join room, leave room, forget room, change your nickname, toggle spaces, notifications, untag, tag room, view events, all that good stuff. Another thing that is very specific for anything in Emacs is meta X, and then you need to type Ement, which is the client for the matrix in the Emacs, and then you can tab complete. So you can see here that we have all sorts of commands here. Directory, connect, invite users, join rooms. Some of them have shortcuts, of course, some of them don't because they are less used features as from the author's perspective. You can change a lot of stuff. Also, you can customize a lot of stuff with simple Emacs Lisp programming, nothing too fancy. You can pre-configure your Ement client when you start Emacs. You can configure it to start sending or composing a new message in the current room simply by typing any alphanumeric character if you are bored of pressing enter first. But that will make other commands a little bit more harder to use, so it's a balance of things, it's a compromise. Room synchronization, toggle reaction, all kinds of stuff that you would expect from a matrix client, of course. So let me check here where we are. Here we go. Element usage, all of the stuff that I have already showed you, bindings, room buffers. You can read throughout this manual. It's pretty feature complete, pretty good. It supports, I mean, rooms and spaces and stuff like that. And if you are into, I wouldn't even say Emacs because Emacs users probably have already heard of this and have already decided whether they want to use it or not. However, if you are into command line matrix clients or maybe accessing your matrix chat rooms via the remote SSH session, Ement is pretty good for this. You may not get images if you connect remotely via SSH session in the pure CLI, but everything else will work. So I don't know what else to tell you. That's going to be it from me. Let me know how you like it, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Have a nice day.